the defence is really holding up at this stage from the Eagles. I can see there's some tight knocks and hits in there, specifically also from our number 16 from the Eagles.
Gelijk met na.
He lost the ball. Nick, I'm sure he lost the ball.
Ja, hy het die bal nou verloor net toe hy oorgegaan het. Hy gedink dit gaan 'n 3 wees, maar hy het die bal verloor.
Slowing the ball down.
SVD kry maar 'n bietjie swaar nou op die oomblik, lyk dit vir my, Joshua. Die lyfies is maar klein en hy kan baie stampe en stote.
Penalty, are they going to go for post, Nick?
Maar SVD moet nou nie gaan slap lê nie. Hulle moet beweeg. Sy die bal is deur die pale. WP het nou 3 en SVD nog steeds geen punte nie.
These two teams, as Nick said, is both very renowned for playing some beautiful rugby. But this is a tough, hard game between the two coastal sides, Eagles and the Province. And there is opening. The gap is opening, Nick. Easy. Did he lose it?
Hy het die bal verloor.
No, try's been given, Nick. Try's been given. Human and Yusuf.
Strafskop vir WP.
Penalty, I think it was from that high tackle, but he slipped and went down.
Ja. Hy is nou enigste wat baie groot is.
Very good line out there at the back of the line.
Sy mooi sker.
Look, we've got a stepper here, Nick.
That's a good one.
Oh, well caught there by our number 21. And over they go. Big mistake there from SWD's side. Going back, Lottering catching the ball, and then unfortunately, it's half-time, Nick.
Maar ek kan nie verstaan, ek sien dat SWD hy swaar skram van WP stoot.
Nick, I think they're surprising us because they're all over.
Ja.
This is a great clearance now as exit.
Kom ons kyk wat gebeur.
Great pass.
Baie mooi skoppie.
Well picked up and he's over.
Sy SWD hulle eerste punte aangeteken. Baie mooi seuns. Ek is waar Josef wie wat en die kind ons het met hom gepraat. Hy is nou weer positief, hartseer, maar te sê hy moet maar speel dat hy alles kan vergeet en hy moet vir sy pa speel.
Province now picking up, that was phase 3. Coming back from a mistake.
Dis 'n baie goeie besluit om pale toe gaan om so lank punte te kry om voor te bly. Sê hy is oor, baie mooi skoppie gewees en is nou 20-5.
Province expecting now quick ball rolling to move and shift it. But still not taking it further than channel 3.
Ja, hulle gaan met die bal hardloop.
I can see Jacobs hanging there. Here he comes to the ball. And a big run up by the number 2, the number 2.
Sterk nommer 2.
Going through, it's John McEwen.
Sê die vir 5 skop is oor. Die strafskop is oor, dit is nou 23-5.
Play very scrappy at this stage. Yusuf clearing his lines for Province. And that is also a tremendous kick. A lot of pressure here on number 15.
Strafschop vir WP.
offside.
Maar WP speel goeie en hy nommer 7 en nommer 8. Speel goeie rugby. Mooi. Ah, safe. Is oor.
Right through the middle of the post. As he is the number 1 choice on tight head. Great scrum, and that's
safe.
where we went through, Nick.
Ja,
As
dis
I
'n
said, from the set piece.
reg sy oor Joshua.
A tremendous conversion. Now missing the one-on-one tackles, making things difficult for them to play right up against the touchline. It's the number 8.
Ja, nou moet SWD keer. Hulle WP is nou weer op die aanval. Ek dink as jy dit van WP wat hom nogal sterk die man.
As Gillian Siemens taking the ball up with some passion and pride there,
Daar gaan nommer 13.
as well as cutting through the lines, will be Marku Labaku. And over they go. Province has scored.
Daar's alweer 3.
Province has scored. Seems like the number 14, Xavier Jacobs.